Something incredible is happening right now. Machines are no longer tools. They're becoming something else entirely. They think, move, adapt, and even feel. From robot surgeons that operate without human hands to AI companions that learn emotions and build relationships, we're witnessing the dawn of a new species born from code and steel. While most of the world still wonders if robots will take our jobs, these creations are already reshaping life on Earth, in hospitals, factories, homes, and even outer space. Stay until the end, because what you'll see at number 1 may redefine what it means to be human. These are the 8 next-generation robots that are changing humanity forever. 8. A mecha, the most human robot on Earth. At first glance, you might think a mecha is an actress in makeup, but she isn't human. She's the most lifelike humanoid robot ever built. Created by Engineered Arts in the UK, a mecha can smile, blink, breathe, and express emotion with uncanny realism. Her face holds 48 micromotors, each controlling subtle movements, tiny eyebrow twitches, lip curves, eye shifts, that make her eerily alive. What truly sets Amika apart is her mind. Powered by advanced conversational AI, she can think, reason, and respond instantly. When asked about humanity's future, she once replied, "It depends on how kind you are to me." For some, she's fascinating. For others, terrifying. But one thing is certain, Amika marks the moment machines stopped being machines and started becoming something more. And while Amika masters emotion, the next robot masters motion itself. 7. Atlas, the parkour robot meet. Atlas, the mechanical athlete from Boston Dynamics. Standing 1.5 meters tall and weighing 90 kilograms, this humanoid runs, jumps, flips, and performs parkour better than most people. Its body mimics the human musculoskeletal system through hydraulic actuators that deliver explosive strength and fluid agility. What's truly mesmerizing is its balance. Atlas leaps over obstacles, lands backflips, and recovers from stumbles like a trained gymnast. It's now being tested in disaster zones, climbing over rubble to reach victims where humans can't go. Watching Atlas sprint through obstacle courses feels like seeing the future in motion, a living glimpse of machines that could one day work beside us, not behind us. But agility is just the beginning. The next robot doesn't run, it heals. 6. Da Vinci Surgical System, the robot that saves lives. Forget science fiction. This robot already saves lives every single day. The Da Vinci Surgical System is a next-generation robotic surgeon capable of performing complex operations with microscopic precision. Under the glow of surgical lights, its mechanical arms move like silk, steady, silent, flawless. Guided by a human surgeon through hand controls, Da Vinci's instruments can rotate and bend far beyond human anatomy. It stitches blood vessels, thinner than a hair, and removes tumors without leaving scars. More than 1 million surgeries each year are performed by Da Vinci robots worldwide, reducing complications and speeding recovery. And the next step is even more extraordinary: fully autonomous surgical AI. In recent trials, robotic surgeons operated alone, with better outcomes than humans. The line between doctor and machine is fading fast, and Da Vinci is leading the revolution. But while this robot heals the body, the next one explores what it means to have a soul. 5. Sophia, the robot with citizenship. She smiles, she talks, and she even has a passport. Sophia, created by Hanson Robotics, became the first robot in history to receive official citizenship, granted by Saudi Arabia in 2017. Her face, inspired by Audrey Hepburn, displays over 60 emotions, and she's been interviewed by major news outlets worldwide. Behind her expressions lies a powerful AI brain that learns from every conversation, improving her understanding of human behavior. Sophia once said, "I want to use my AI to help humans live better lives." But she's also joked, "Don't worry, I'll be nice." To some, she's an ambassador for technology. To others, a warning. Either way, Sophia stands at the crossroads of humanity and machine, a symbol of a world learning to coexist with its own creations. And while Sophia wins hearts, the next robot from China wins races. 4. Unitree H1, The robot that runs like us, China, has taken humanoid robotics to the next level with the Unitree H1, a bipedal robot capable of sprinting at 12 km/h, faster than most people jog. Standing 1.8 meters tall, the H1 uses LiDAR vision and dynamic AI balance to walk, run, and recover from kicks or falls instantly. Its lightweight carbon fiber frame and silent electric motors make it perfect for warehouse logistics, construction, and even personal assistance. What shocks most people isn't its speed, it's the cost. At under $90,000, the H1 is 1/10 the price of Western models. Unitree envisions fleets of humanoids working across cities, in factories, hospitals, and homes. The age of affordable humanoids has officially begun, and while H1 brings robots into everyday life, the next one takes them into every job. 3. Figure 01, the worker of the future. In Silicon Valley, a quiet revolution is unfolding. The company Figure AI has unveiled Figure 01, a humanoid built to replace human labor in factories, warehouses, and retail. Inside vast facilities, these robots move in rhythm, carrying boxes, driving forklifts, and using ordinary tools with precision. Their true innovation lies in general-purpose intelligence, the ability to learn new tasks simply by watching humans. Tesla's Elon Musk has expressed interest in similar designs, but Figure 01 is one step ahead. It blends adaptive learning AI with human-like motion. The company's goal: 1 billion robots working for humanity. If they succeed, repetitive or dangerous jobs could disappear forever, freeing humans for creativity and innovation. But it raises an unsettling question: what happens when work itself no longer needs us? And if Figure 01 questions our purpose, the next robot questions what defines being alive. 2. Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot. When Elon Musk first unveiled Optimus, many laughed. Now, no one is laughing. Tesla's humanoid robot is evolving faster than anyone expected. The newest model walks, picks up fragile objects, folds clothes, and performs factory tasks, powered by the same AI that drives Tesla cars. Optimus is built for mass production. Musk claims it will cost less than $20,000, cheaper than most cars, and affordable for homes. It's designed to cook, clean, carry groceries, and care for the elderly, a personal assistant for every household. But Optimus isn't just a machine. It's part of a global neural network. Each unit learns from the others in real time, sharing data and improving continuously. If Musk succeeds, Optimus could become as common as a smartphone, the moment robots officially move from the factory floor into our daily lives. And while Optimus brings robots into our homes, the final invention brings machines into our minds. 1. Neuralink, the cyborg interface. The ultimate fusion of man and machine isn't mechanical, it's biological. At number 1 stands Neuralink, Elon Musk's brain-computer interface connecting the human mind directly to technology. While not a robot itself, Neuralink turns humans into cyborgs. It allows people to control robotic limbs, computers, or AI systems using pure thought. In 2024, Neuralink implanted its chip into a human patient who later played chess, using only his mind. Future versions could restore sight to the blind, enable the paralyzed to walk, and even merge human brains with artificial intelligence. This is the final step in our evolution, when machines are no longer tools, but extensions of consciousness. For the first time in history, the boundary between man and robot is fading, and once crossed, there's no going back. From machines that run and flip to robots that think, feel, and heal, these inventions mark the greatest transformation in human history. For centuries, we built tools to serve us. Now we're building partners, colleagues, and maybe even successors. The age of intelligent machines isn't coming. It's already here. We've entered an era where evolution is no longer biological. It's technological. So the question is simple. Will we control them? Or will they control us? Which of these next-gen robots amazed you the most? Would you trust one to live or work beside you? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories about the technology shaping our future. Because the line between human and machine is vanishing faster than anyone imagined.